No, over here. Okay. Girl, I want to see that is the horse with your hiccups. What? You want what?
Let me see.
No, I can't. Do it again. I want to see that is the horse. Do it. Stop, she's sleeping, Mommy. Watch out, she's sleeping. Go on the other side. You tired?
Yeah, move her.
What?
Move her.
You can't, baby. She's sleeping.
Move her.
You want the sheep that is the horse?
Yeah.
You got hiccups?
Yeah.
Are they all gone? Watch out, Mommy. I heard it again. I heard you. I heard it again. I heard it again. Adam? Adam?
And what's the sheep on the horse? I can't see. I can't see.
Alright, baby, stop. You're hurting me.